hey, good you're here. This has been a very highly requested video. Pumpkin whoopie pies. Okay, you need, now wait, I'm making a bigger batch than you, but I'm going to say the ingredients you need and put yours here on the screen, okay? In a bowl, 2 cups of light brown sugar to 1 cup of oil. Don't wash this. We're gonna need it again. Get those blending, and then you're going to mix in 2 eggs until just combined. You need 1 teaspoon of the following things. 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. It's pretty easy when like most of your ingredients are all in the same measurement. Now you need 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. And we're gonna make sure that we scrape down the sides of our bowl and get this all combined. Using the same measuring cup that you put your oil in, you need 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree. And using the same measuring cup not only eliminates a dish, but that oil helps it slide right out. Now really make sure that you tap your measuring cup down to get out any air bubbles so that you have a more accurate measure. Too much pumpkin could make this too wet. Too wet could spread too much. So we're trying to contain that. And your final ingredient is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Here is our finished batter. It's pretty thick, kind of a cross between a cake batter and a muffin batter, okay? I'm using a medium cookie scoop. These spread a little bit more than my chocolate ones if you've seen that video. So, I'm gonna use a medium scoop, but I'm gonna add a little bit to it. Almost like a medium and a half, but it's less than a large scoop, I know. High maintenance. And drop it on the tray. I like to go, my trays are probably bigger than yours, but I like to go 3 across. Leave some nice space, 3/4 of an inch to an inch in between. Let them spread a little, let them have that room so they're not going into each other, okay? So scoop these out. And right now though, they shouldn't be spreading. They should stay about where you drop them currently. Now we are going to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes. Start with 10 minutes at 350. They'll cool very quickly, and then we'll fill them. And then you have one of the most delicious fall treats you could ever have. Don't worry, I'll show you the whole process. We got this. All right, let's make the filling for these delicious whoopie pies. I'm gonna make a double, but I'm going to say the ingredients that you need for a single batch and put yours on the screen. 2 sticks of unsalted butter. You do want these to be a little soft because we want to be able to combine it with the marshmallow, which is our next ingredient, marshmallow fluff. You'll need 7 to 8 ounces, which I believe is a small container of this. I'm gonna use this big boy. Get that all in and get those 2 mixing together, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. With your mixer on stir, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This makes an incredible difference. It really tempers the sweetness of this icing. Can you use salted butter? Yes. I prefer to use unsalted butter and add my own salt so I control how much goes into it and I can control the balance. But that is totally up to you. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It's gonna get a nice creamy color. And then because these are pumpkin, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And that's just going to give it that nice, warm, nutty flavor. You can even do a teaspoon and a half. Bump it up. Just 1. And then you need 3 cups of powdered sugar. Before you add the powdered sugar, it may look a little curdled. It's not. Trust me, it'll all come together. So add that in slowly, get it incorporated. Definitely scrape the sides of your bowl down so we make sure we get everything. And I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Here it is, all finished. Throw it into a piping bag and just cut the tip off, or a gallon-sized bag works just as well. And it's gonna be thick, it is gonna be sticky, it is gonna be delicious. Also, if you haven't tried my pumpkin cake recipe that I've shared on here yet, you're missing out, because this and that in like cupcake form, delicious. The moist, soft pumpkin cake with this. So, here for more than just whoopie pies. Don't they look perfect? This was 12 minutes at 350. Now we're just gonna take one of these little babies, flip her over, take your cinnamon marshmallow cream filling that we made together. Hang on, it's hard to do this with one hand. Okay. Get it in there. Technical term coming at you. You want to take the top one and smoosh it until you have the perfect pumpkin whoopie pie. If you try these, you're going to fall in love, and I'd love to see a picture of yours in the comments.